Hey everybody, it's the Cajun. Let me show you, we got us a package in today from Black Widow Deer Lures, and we're about to do an unboxing. So stay tuned, we're gonna be right back. So we just got our USPS package in, we're gonna unbox it now. Let's open it up here. Make sure we don't cut anything. We're gonna be real careful about how we put our little knife on here. We're gonna make sure we put it sideways. Let's see here, there we go. Look how nice it's packed. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Look how nice that's packed right there. Whoa, and it's falling out by Bella. And look at that, we got a full box of goodies from Black Widow Deer Lure. Y'all ready to dig in? The Black Widow scrape rope and some new Black Widow branch butter. Check that out right there. We got some Black Widow Scrape Master, some Black Widow Hot and Ready XXX. Check that out. Some Black Widow Hot and Ready Doe and Estrus Lure, some Black Widow Dominator, and we got the Black Widow Deer Lures catalog. Check that out. All the different product information. It says celebrating 25 years in the industry. Happy 25th anniversary, Black Widow Deer Lure. So let's open up this branch butter. So the branch butter is a pre-orbital and forehead secretion gel. So you apply this to this and you hang it from a branch and watch the deer. Hey everybody, so I'm gonna grab the scrape rope, we're gonna get the branch butter, and we're gonna take a walk outside and we're gonna deploy the scrape rope on a branch. Then we're gonna put some branch butter on it, and tonight on the live deer cam we're going to watch and see how the deer act around it and if they can pick up on a new scent. Y'all ready? Let's take a walk outside. Show y'all. First thing we're going to do is we're going to install this wick on this branch right here. Got the Black Widow branch butter gel that we're gonna put on that wick. We're gonna put a generous amount on there as well. So look folks, make sure you put a generous coating of the branch butter on the scrape rope. That's a lot of scrape rope bristle there on the end. There's a lot of a brush there. Put a generous coating so it soaks it up. So we just deployed the scrape rope with some branch butter on it outside in front of the deer camera. So we're going to be streaming tonight, and we're streaming now, but we're going to be streaming tonight when the deer come to eat, and we want to see how they act when they smell the new scent. This is going to be fun, so y'all stay tuned. I'm going to put some video here now. Y'all going to watch what we watched tonight live. Y'all going to watch it on this video, and y'all going to see the same thing. So sit back, get your popcorn and a drink, and watch some deer. Bella, you want to tell everybody hello? Good girl. That was Bella, everybody. Bella wishes y'all a great day, and she hopes y'all enjoy the rest of the video.